In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a username in Windows 11. This process is straightforward and essential for personalizing your computer experience. Let's dive right in. First, you will need to open the Start menu. To do this, look for the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's usually right on the taskbar. Simply click on it. As the Start menu pops up, you will see a list of applications and options. This action is crucial because it serves as the gateway to accessing all settings and features within Windows 11. Once you have the Start menu open, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next up, you need to select Settings. In the Start menu, you will notice a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon. The Settings window will open, displaying various options for customizing your system. This step is important because it allows you to access the specific settings related to your account, which is necessary for changing your username. Once the settings window is open, you can move on to the following step. Now click on Accounts in the left sidebar, then select Your Info. In the settings window, look for the Accounts option on the left side and click on it. This section contains all your account settings. After that, you will see Your Info on the right side. Click on it to view your current account details. This step is vital because it directs you to the area where you can manage your account information, including your username. Once you are on the Your Info page, you can continue to the next step. After that, scroll down to the Related Settings section and click Manage My Account. You will find this section beneath your account details. Clicking on Manage My Account will redirect you to an online profile management interface. This action is important because it connects your Windows account to your Microsoft account online, where you can make further changes. Once you click, be prepared for the next part of the process. Your default web browser will open to your online profile. Sign in if prompted. Depending on your settings, you may need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. This step is crucial because it verifies your identity and ensures that you are authorized to make changes to your account. If you are signed in, the web page will display your account information. Once you are logged in, you can proceed to the next step. With that done, click on your info at the top of the web page. This option usually appears prominently on the page. By clicking on it, you will be taken to a section specifically for managing your personal information. This step is significant because it allows you to access the specific area where you can edit your name. Once you click on Your Info, you will be ready for the next action. Next, click Edit Name next to your current name. You will see this option near your displayed name on the web page. Clicking this will allow you to enter a new name. This step is essential because it is where you will actually change your username. Once you click Edit Name, a text box will appear for you to enter your new desired username. At this point, enter your new name, solve the security CAPTCHA, and click Save. Make sure to choose a name that you prefer and that meets any character requirements. Completing the CAPTCHA acts as a security measure, ensuring that the changes are being made by you. Once you hit Save, your new username will be submitted. This important step ensures that your information is updated correctly. Finally, restart your computer to force Windows to sync the changes. This will ensure that your new username is fully integrated into your system. Restarting your computer is a simple but effective way to finalize the changes you made. You will see a confirmation of your new username once you log back in. Now you have successfully changed your username in Windows 11. This small change can make a big difference in how you interact with your device. Thank you for watching.